Hey, it's Mikey here. We're back in the garage, and I wanted to show you how to find the engine code on your N55. Mine is an M235i. If you've already been following my channel, you should know that. But pop off the engine cover, and in between the second and third runners on your intake manifold, the number is actually located under the third runner from the front. So if you look down in here, see a little... there it is. So I used a wire brush and I held it with a pair of vice grips, like real long handled ones, so I could reach down in there and rub that off because it was a little dirty. But as you can see, mine's an N55 B30A. Cool? Later.